How we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back.
My name's Tom Dyer, and today I'm going to be making for you the paper plane cocktail. Once I've shown you how to make the paper plane cocktail, then I'm going to show you how to pimp your cocktail. First, this is how you make the paper plane cocktail. It's shake and strain. Cue the montage. And there we have it, the paper plane cocktail. So this is our simplest version of the paper plane cocktail. Now I'm going to show you how to pimp that cocktail. Pew. Okay, welcome back. So now I'm going to show you how you can pimp your cocktail. And to do that, first we're going to start with a different vessel. I've got this, smoking pipe vessel. And we want that cold, plenty of ice. Just pop that to one side. Stay. Right, we're still going to shake and strain this drink, so... It's a snazzy little trick for you. I'll show you how it's done. So you're going to grab the small shaker like this, and with the big shaker, you're going to throw it away from you, so it's going to go half a spin, almost not even leaving your hand. Roll up your arm, catch it, and then you're going to place the small shaker on the base. Then ice. Release, come behind your back. Boom. Ready to move on. Right, let's start with 25 mils of Aperol. We're going to just place it on here and woohoo! Right, I'm going to show you how to do this move. You're going to start with the large side of the jigger facing up, okay? Because you want to come up, throw it for half a spin, and catch it with the large side of the jigger facing up. At the same time, you're going to grab this bottle, okay? And you're going to grab it in between those three fingers. Then you turn it around, place it on the bar top, pick it up with the other hand, and then you can come and make your pour. Okay, next up is 25 mils of Amaro. It's a super simple move. All you're going to do is place the jigger on the side of the bottle, bring it around so the small end is facing up. You can remove the lid, and then you come and make your pour. Up next, we've got some bourbon to get in there. So 25 mils of that. Now that trick was super simple. It's literally just to place it on the bar top. Then you can pick up your equipment, undo the top, and pour out the spirit. Imagine the bottle is in the speed rail. You're going to put your hand out like this, turn it towards you, grab it from the speed rail, turn it over onto the bar top, then you can grab your equipment and continue. Right, up next, 25 mils of lemon juice. This one is basically just that, throwing a lemon, and I like to hold it like this with my fingertips and give it a spin, and sometimes it lands in there perfectly like that. Oh! And other times it lands in there perfectly like that. Okay, come here, a bit closer. Orange bitters. 2 nice dashes of orange bitters. Just helps balance out those flavors a little bit inside there and gives it a nice little orange in the side. This is a nice little move because all you're doing is taking the small shaker out, turning it over, being careful not to spill, turning this one over and emptying the ice, ready to re-ice and then shake. If you get really good, you can do it at the same time. Off we go. Let's pop that to one side, and now we need to be quick. So we're going to empty out our ice, shake off the excess. Then we're going to get our smoking gun. This is apple wood chips. Right, now we strain our cocktail directly into our pipe. Gently. Right, finishing off, cake icing sugar. Squirt a little bit onto the front of the glass there. Edible flour. Lemon peel, nice piece, like this. We get our zigzag scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, to get a nice little diamond shape. Another piece, just to squirt the lemony freshness. And ladies and gentlemen, that is your paper plane cocktail, pimped! And there we go, there we have it, the paper plane cocktail, the pimped paper plane cocktail. Oh. You can taste the smoke and you can taste the orange bitters as well. So give it a try for yourself. Let me know how you get on. I hope you tried out some of those moves as well. If you do, please tag me on Instagram, any Instagram stories that you make, Tom Dyer Bartender. And as well, if you want, don't forget to go down, hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you like it. Like this video if you like the paper plane cocktail. And for one last, I know I clap my hands way too much. For one last thing, if you want to go and check me out on Patreon, I'm posting a lot of videos on there, behind the scenes stuff, early content. 3-Minute Thursday, if you want to learn more about how to throw bottles around and flair bartending, it's all over there on Patreon. But that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of these views. And thank you so much to all the subscribers, all the likes. Thank you to all the patrons as well. And until next time,